Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply delete drafts on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, tap on this plus icon in the bottom. Now here in the post section, if you go to this draft section, you will find one of your drafts, right? All you have to do is simply tap on it, and then you're gonna find this kind of interface, and when you tap on this manage option, you will find this kind of interface again popping up. Now tap on this edit option on top. Now tap on this and simply choose this for the discard purpose. Tap on done, and now tap on this discard posts. Now that particular draft of yours is simply removed. You can do that step as many times as you want. Once you have added something for your post, right, once you have added something to your draft, then only the draft option gonna appear beside the edit sense. Go ahead, tap on it, discard the photo or post, and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.